How well is your portfolio performing? Easy Manager answers this question. Performance is designed to see how successful your investment strategies are, giving you the information to compare your success to other forms of investments, such as long-term bank deposits. Easy Manager takes into account all assets in your portfolio to calculate the performance over the chosen period. By default, each screen displays the overall and annualized performance. Under Preferences, you can change this display to suit. To look at the performance of your entire portfolio, make sure on the map you have the portfolio in focus. In this example, we look at Smith shares this financial year to date. The period can be changed by clicking on the date range here. Now click the Performance tab. The workspace will display a summary at the top of the screen and asset details below. Looking at the summary, the opening value is the value of your portfolio at the start of the period, which in this case is the 1st of July. The current value is the value from your most recent data update. Capital valuation gain is the gain or loss over the displayed period from activities such as buying and selling and the change in the value. It's calculated as net gain minus income plus expenses. Capital performance is the performance over the period attributed to the capital and valuation changes. Period income is the income earned. Income performance is performance over the period attributed to income. Period expense is the expense incurred. Period net gain is the total gain over the period attributed to capital gains, change in value, and income and expenses. Calculated as current value minus opening value minus adjustments such as your buys, sells, income and expenses. This gives the overall performance for the period. When looking at this screen, it's helpful to refer to the mouse over hints. The Asset Performance section gives specific details on each asset in the portfolio, every stock and account. This screen can be filtered by clicking on these 3 vertical dots to show group by account class, sector or industry group, with the totals for each group highlighted. Another useful tool in the Asset Details section is if you right-click anywhere in the white area, you can choose various actions. Looking at the table properties, you can copy the table to the clipboard to paste into an Excel spreadsheet. You can expand or collapse the display. You can choose columns, that is, add or remove the fields being displayed. You can change the order of the displayed fields by highlighting, then moving up or down, and you can change the sort order. If you don't like any of your changes, you can restore back to the defaults. Going back to the map, if I change the focus to securities, the screen will display the performance of just the securities, and you can drill down further to performance on a particular stock, such as BHP. Thanks for watching.